In this Nutrition Month season,
We're going to cook healthy foods and also affordable. Before we proceed, let's wear our PPE equipment for cooking.
these are the ingredients that we use. The onion, the garlic, and the sayote, and the garbage. And the isasahog is hot dog.
Okay, let's start to chop this. We're going to cook a ginisang chayote with cabbage, which is the ingredients is garlic, onion, cabbage, hot dog, and the chayote. Add the garlic. Add onion. Add the hot dog ingredients. And 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And also the magic sarap. And put the chayote and the cabbage on the frying pan. Wait it until 2 minutes. And these are now the results.
This is the result. The ginisang sayote with